Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Dell PC or laptop without the password. So if you forgot your password, you can get back in. And you want to do a factory reset, which will delete everything. You want to go ahead and do these steps. So let's get started. So very first thing, you want to get to this menu when you power it on and turn it on. This is probably where you don't know the password. In that scenario, what we need to first do is hold the shift key. Either on the left or the right side, doesn't matter. You're going to press and hold. And when you hold it at the bottom here, come down here, there's a power icon. If you click on it, it's going to give you a couple options, but the option we want to do is a reset. So click on reset and keep on holding it. You can see a shift key during this whole process. I'm going to explain why you want to keep on holding it. Just keep on holding it. No worries, just going to let it restart itself, but we're holding down that shift key. And we're not going to let go until it does the full. Basically, it'll get us to a recovery menu, which I'll show you what that looks like. And just keep on holding. Screen went black. It will probably go black for a few seconds, maybe some 10, 15 seconds. Could be longer. Just keep on holding it still. Don't worry in this process. The other thing I always recommend is having it connected to a charger during this process. You don't want the laptop to die, which will cause any issues. So as you can see here, it is saying, please wait. That's fine. We're going to keep on holding. And we're going to keep on holding until we get to this menu right here, and then finally you can let go. And this is basically the recovery menu, or menu that you can do certain things such as troubleshoot, which allows you to reset your PC and advanced options. So you can click on that. Now once you click on that, you'll have the option to reset this PC. Click on that. And if you're doing a factory reset, you probably want to do remove everything, although you have the option to keep your data. If you want to just kind of reset it but keep your files, you would do this option. So you're going to click on remove everything, and then it's going to get it itself ready. Now the next question you're probably going to see is, how do you want the Windows install? If you're going to fresh install from cloud download, you'll need 4 gigs of data. But if you have a local install, which you already do, which will keep the same version instead of getting a newer version from cloud download, you could just do that. So either option is feasible, whatever you want to do. So, and after that, you'll get the next screen, which is reset this PC. There is going to be a question to clean your drive. So do you want to clean your drive? Basically, if you were doing a factory reset, you're going to do a full clean drive. If you're going to keep your file, you'll do this option. So I'll select full clean. And then finally, it's getting things ready, which allow us to finally select the option which will start the reset process. And finally, as you can see, all the data will get removed, and we just need to click on this for this to happen here. And that's all you need to do. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.